Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are tucked back deep in the National Forest and we are looking to catch some mountain trout. As you can see, the water is gem clear and super shallow. I've never fished this creek. This is my very first time exploring it. It's an absolute beautiful fishery here. Haven't seen any fish yet, but we're going to stay on the grind, keep those boots to the ground in hopes of running into some. During today's video, I'm going to be throwing down that Fenwick Eagle, some 6-pound fluorocarbon line, spooled up onto that Pfluger President, and one of my Black Creek bugs rigged up on a 1/32 ounce ball head jig, my absolute go-to. So let's not waste any time, we'll start exploring around and let's see what today has to offer. Beautiful little hole right here we have stumbled up on. No clue if there's going to be any fish hanging out in here or not. Definitely worth a couple casts though. This is the first place I've come to that I can't see the bottom. Alright guys and girls, I believe I've spotted one of the first fish out of this creek I have seen all day. It's kind of hard to get down in here to him. Well everyone, we have walked quite the ways. In fact, right here is the boundary. As you can see right there, above the sign is an arrow pointing up the road that way. So that means that this right here is the furthest boundary of this creek. We started on the opposite end. We have walked the entire thing and unfortunately only seen 2 fish so far. So all we can do is walk over in here in hopes maybe finding a couple more. Come around the bend here and I seen a big blue heron standing in the creek right up here. For those of you guys who don't know what that is, it is a bird that fishes. It literally does it for a living, so surely there's going to be something around here. Creek is so clear though. I can actually see a couple fish laying right here in front of us. Literally walked right past them. Just had one come and look right there. Got him. There we go. Wow. Tons of hiking around. We finally found ourselves a fish. Had to use nature to find it, but that's completely okay. Heck yeah. Check out that little beauty. Come up and looked at it a couple times. I inched it closer and closer till it could not help but come on over and get it. There we go. It's a reward for all our efforts today. We'll take it. There he goes. There's one. Beautiful little guy. Short and chunky. Check out that one. There we go. Beautiful little fish. Let's let him go. There we go. Wow. Fish number 3 of our adventure. And I had to put it right up in the thick of that stuff there and just bounce it on around. Heck yeah, everyone. That yellow creek bug strikes again. Calm down, little buddy. I'm going to set you free. Plenty of fight in these little fish today. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful fish number 3 right there. Let's let him slide on out of here. There he goes. Heck yeah. There we go. There we go. Well, we are starting to find some now, everyone. Give him the old trout flip up here. That's a beautiful, beautiful fish number 4. Back here deep in the mountains. Wow, what more can you ask for, everyone? This has been an adventure and a half back in here. The fish are quite small. I think that's pretty common for back here in the mountains like this. Check out that little beauty though. Unreal. Let's let him go. There he goes. Right back into the creek, happy and healthy, everyone. Heck yes. Alright. 1 out of this little section, 2 from just over there, and 1 from way up there, and we can thank that big old blue herring for pointing us in the right direction. Heck yeah. Well, everyone, that's pretty much going to do it for today's little fishing adventure. I have weaved in and out of this beautiful little creek tucked way back in the National Forest, and it has been a sight to behold, to say the least. Only 4 small rainbows caught all day, but the scenery was well worth the trip out here. I mean, just a gorgeous little place, fun to adventure, tons of water to cover, and absolutely gorgeous. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to smash that like button, and as always, drop me a comment down below. Every comment really does help out the channel. I do my best to reply to each and every one of them. And if you like this style of video, be sure to let me know down below so I can come out here and keep making videos just like this one. But if you'd like to get your hands on some of those creek bugs using today's video to catch all of those beautiful little trout, all you've got to do is click that very first link down there in the description. It'll take you straight to my website. Be sure to use code YouTube10 in all caps. Save 10% off any order, $25 or more. But get out there if you can, everyone, and do yourself some fishing and have some fun. But most importantly, be safe and tight lines.